This is Derek Wilder with Virtuemart Shipping, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to apply international shipping charges to your cart. So the first thing we're going to do is log into the back end at Joomla. Then we're going to select Components and Virtuemart. Once inside of Virtuemart, click Store, then click Shipping Module List, and then underneath Ship Item Specific, click on Configure Ship Method. Now we already have two products set up with flat rate shipping applied to them. A nice saw, HO1, and a power sander, PO4. So the first thing we can do is we can set up some shipping carriers. These shipping carriers are simply for your benefit. They're on the back end for you to keep things organized so you know kind of how you're doing things. They will not show up on the front end. But you can click Add New Shipper here, and here we can say something like Owner Shipped, and list order 1, and then click Add. The list order is just simply what order they're listed in on this front page here. We can add another new shipper. We'll say UPS, and 2. Click on Configure International Shipping next, and now click Add New Shipping Rate. So here is where you apply the international shipping, and we're going to apply an international shipping charge to the cart of any person in the United States who's purchasing our items. So we'll just make the description United States. List order 1, shipper, and we'll just say owner shipped. We'll scroll down and apply United States as the country, and then we'll say zip code 0 and the zip range. We'll just take it way up to 9999 and do the same thing with the weight. And the shipping fee will be $10 and the packaging fee $5. And the currency that we are selling products in is the US dollar. And then we'll click Add. And now what we've done is just applied an international shipping charge of a total of $15, $10 shipping, $5 packaging fee, to any cart that any person purchases from the United States. Now remember, the flat rate shipping charges that you've already configured still apply. These are charges in addition to the flat rate shipping cost that you're going to charge for the extra cost it takes to send your products internationally. And so we'll add a new shipping rate. And for this one, we'll call it India. And what we're going to do here is set up an additional charge for anyone that wants us to ship their products to India. And the country is India. Again, we'll do zip code and the weight. Here we'll say shipping fee of $20 and packaging fee of $10. And we are selling the products in US dollars. Now, before we click Add, you will notice on this page I've skipped over information regarding zip code ranges and weight ranges. In a future video, I will go into more detail of how these can be integrated into your international shipping. Click Add. Okay, now we have two different international shipping charges. If someone purchases from the United States, they're going to get a $15 additional item put on their cart for shipping. If anybody purchases from India, they're going to be charged an additional $30, $20 shipping and $10 packaging fee. That's going to be added to their cart for shipping to India. So let's go on the front end and see how this works. What we have here in the cart is a nice saw and a power sander, one of each. So let's click Checkout. Now if you remember, right now we have it set up to where if you purchase a nice saw, it is $3. That's the base price for shipping. If you purchase one power sander, it's $4. That's the base price for shipping. So our flat rate shipping right now is $7 charged to this cart. However, since I have an address that's from the United States, I'm going to be charged an additional amount for the international shipping charges that we added on the back end of Virtuemart. So let's click Next. And here we see, here's the $7 for the flat rate shipping that we assigned, and then here's the $15, which is the international shipping surcharge that we applied on the back end. So that's a total of $22 for shipping. Click Next, and now you will see that the total of $22 is added to the cart right prior to checkout. In the next video, I'm going to go into detail of how you can apply international shipping not just to a country like the United States, but to specific zip codes within a country like the United States or India.